Hi, I'm Paul.
And I'm Nicky. Welcome to another Harry's how-to video.
Today we're going to show you how to prepare a room for decorating.
Okay, preparing a room. What I advise you to do is get as much of the furniture out as you possibly can. If you have big bulky items, pop them in the centre of your room and then you have enough room to work all the way around them. As you can see, we've already cleared this room. It's just the last little bits to go. It's always a good idea to mask down your dust sheet, then it'll stop it from slipping. Another part of prepping is you may need to do a little bit of cleaning. Now you don't have to clean your whole of your walls, just in certain areas, and what we use is sugar soap. And the areas where you need to concentrate on is if you've got any marks or scuffs on your wall, and especially around your areas of your plug sockets. And what you do is you simply spray your sugar soap on a lint-free cloth and just give it a wipe. Get all those greasy marks off. And then your wall's ready to paint. And also, I would advise you to always do your woodwork.
Nice job, Nicky. Don't forget, if you'd like to see more of our how-to videos and the products we have used, please visit the Harry's website.
Thanks for watching.